We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Northern Lights projector, an 18-color Galaxy projector for bedrooms by Picoy. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Northern Lights projector by Picoy is designed to bring the mesmerizing effect of the Aurora Borealis into your home. This projector features 18 color options and 162 lighting modes, offering a wide spectrum of visual experiences. Its unique cube-shaped design is modern and compact, measuring approximately 6.26 by 6.85 by 6.26 inches and weighing just under 2 pounds. The projector uses LED technology and is constructed from durable ABS and acrylic materials, ensuring both longevity and safety for use around children and adults alike. One of the standout features of this projector is its 360-degree illumination capability. With 5 luminous surfaces, it can cast light in every direction, creating an immersive environment. Users consistently praise the quality and vibrancy of the colors, with many noting that the patterns are soothing and gentle on the eyes. The lighting effects are described as brilliant and saturated, with no flickering or harshness, making it suitable for relaxation, meditation, or as a sleep aid. The ability to dim the lights and adjust brightness through both touch and remote control adds to its versatility, allowing users to customize the ambience for any occasion or mood. The remote control is highlighted as a particularly convenient feature. It allows users to change colors, adjust brightness, set lighting modes, and activate the timer without having to get out of bed. This makes the projector especially appealing as a nightlight for children, teens, and adults. The timer function is appreciated by those who use the projector to fall asleep, as it can be set to turn off automatically after 1 hour, ensuring energy efficiency and peace of mind. In terms of performance, the projector excels in darkened rooms. Users report that the light effects are most vivid and immersive when there is minimal ambient light and no ceiling fan to interfere with the projections. The device is quiet during operation with no noticeable noise, which enhances its suitability for bedrooms and relaxation spaces. The long USB cord provides flexibility in placement, though some users mention needing to purchase longer cables if the outlet is far from the desired location. The projector's size is another point of discussion. While compact and easy to handle, it is small enough to fit comfortably in 1 or 2 hands. This makes it easy to move around and position as needed. However, some users note that the projection range is somewhat limited. Although the product is marketed as being able to transform an entire room, several reviewers mention that it effectively covers only about half of a small bedroom. The intensity of the effects diminishes as the distance from the wall increases, so optimal placement is necessary to achieve the best results. Despite this limitation, the overall consensus is that the projector creates a beautiful and relaxing atmosphere, especially for smaller spaces or as an accent light. Users also appreciate the aesthetic appeal of the projector itself. Its modern, cube-shaped design fits seamlessly into a variety of room decors, making it a popular choice for teen bedrooms, living rooms, and even as a decorative accent in bookcases. Many buyers mention purchasing multiple units to create balanced lighting effects at different ends of a room, or to use as accent lights in various spaces. The projector is also frequently recommended as a gift, particularly for teens and children who are fascinated by the Northern Lights or enjoy creative room decor. The product's versatility extends beyond its primary function as a nightlight or mood light. Reviewers mention using it for meditation, relaxation, spa-like experiences, and even as an aid for children who have difficulty falling asleep. The gentle movement of the light patterns is compared to the calming effect of water, and the variety of color combinations allows users to tailor the experience to their preferences. The projector is described as being practical, easy to use, and effective at creating a peaceful environment. Despite its many strengths, the projector is not without drawbacks. Some users find that too much light emits from the sides of the lamp, making it too bright for sensitive eyes, especially when used in smaller spaces or at higher brightness settings. Others mention that the need for a plug, rather than a rechargeable battery, can be inconvenient, though the included cord is generally long enough for most setups. The price is considered reasonable for the quality and features provided, but a few buyers note that additional expenses, such as purchasing longer cables, can add up if the outlet placement is not ideal. The projector is praised for its ease of use. Both adults and children find the controls intuitive, with the remote making it accessible for users of all ages. The device operates quietly with no distracting noises, and the build quality is generally regarded as solid and reliable. The manufacturer offers a 3-year quality guarantee, which provides additional peace of mind for buyers concerned about durability or potential defects. In summary, the Northern Lights Projector by Picoy is a highly regarded product that delivers on its promise of transforming a room with stunning lighting effects. Its combination of vibrant colors, customizable modes, and user-friendly controls makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking to enhance their living space with a touch of magic. While it may not fully illuminate very large rooms, it excels in creating a cozy, relaxing atmosphere in bedrooms, living rooms, and other intimate spaces. The projector's modern design, quiet operation, and versatile features make it suitable for a wide range of users, from children to adults. It is especially popular as a gift for teens and as a decorative accent for those looking to add a unique visual element to their home. If you're searching for a practical yet aesthetically pleasing lighting solution that doubles as a sleep aid, mood light, or decorative piece, the Northern Lights Projector is a strong contender. Its strengths lie in its vibrant and soothing light effects, ease of use, and thoughtful features like the remote control and timer. While it has some limitations in terms of projection range and brightness for sensitive eyes, the overall user experience is overwhelmingly positive. The product's popularity and high customer ratings reflect its ability to meet the needs of a diverse audience, making it a valuable addition to any home. Remember, if you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Based on extensive user feedback, the Northern Lights Projector stands out as a top choice for those seeking to create a magical, relaxing, and visually stunning environment in their home.